Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest step by step. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, we will be teaching you how you will be able to promote your different Amazon affiliate links in Pinterest. Now in Pinterest, a lot of people are posting amazing photos and all sorts of different content. So it would be a great place to also promote your affiliate link or affiliate products from Amazon. Now, if you're one of the many lucky people who are accepted into Amazon's affiliate link, wherein you will be able to promote different products available in Amazon, Pinterest is one of the greatest places to post your content or post your affiliate post to attract people to buying it. Because as you can see here, it's a very easy place to find different kinds of posts. So your post will get a lot of publicity and a lot of views from the hundreds and thousands of different users of Pinterest every day. So what we're going to do and what I'm going to teach you is one of the ways you will be able to promote it. So let's get a sample for now for what type of product we are going to be selling or going to be promoting. So let's say I am promoting a specific shoe. So let's go with this one, loafers, I guess. Let's say I am promoting a shoe product over here. So what I'm going to suggest a platform for you guys to use is called Canva. Now Canva is an online platform where you could create and edit different types of projects absolutely for free. Now, although there are features that you will not be able to use if you're not a user that is using premium account, but you will be able to use majority of the features and you will be able to do just fine without any of that and sticking with a free account. So over here in Canva, you will be able to create any type of project, and one of those projects is videos. So in Pinterest, you could post either a video like this one or a picture. So it depends on you. So let's say I would like to create a video. So let's go over here and I could either go with a mobile video over here, a Facebook video, Instagram reel. The sizing or dimension doesn't matter in Pinterest because it will automatically adjust either way. So let's simply go with maybe I guess a Facebook video. So our product is, or our assumed product is a loafer over here or any type of shoe. So we're simply going to promote this product and through Pinterest. So we're going to create our video promotion over here in Canva. Now, if you have photos, typically you will be able to receive photos that you could use to promote or materials that you could use to promote your product from your clients. But if not, you can simply either download this photos over here available. You could download them as an image if you want for you to be able to work with it. For example, that one, let's download that one. And then what you could do is you could drag and drop it into your Canva over here while you could promote it. So let's put this over here. Now, this is not the main video, but let's say over here, I'll put that over here. So we could copy the name over here. Let's go click on text over here. This is Canva's editing page, by the way. It's a very easy platform or very easy editing section to navigate. Over here right now, I'm currently on the text section. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for a specific font that would look really nice with our item over here, our product. So for example, this one. Let me change the color to black. There we go. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste the title of the specific shoe, just like that, and add more information. So for example, I could add this as well over here. There we go. Now we could have this as like the second part of our video. So we could also add like the price range. We could copy this. Then let's find another text over here. Maybe this one. There we go. Let's delete the other one for now. And let's paste it over here. There we go. So this is the price range of our shoe. So let's fix it. There we go. 180.00. Just delete this initial part and there we go. Now this is like the part 2 of the video. Now, as you can see here below, we will be able to add a new page. So simply click on add new page and let's drag it over here to the left. So this is the first thing that we will be able to see. So over here on the first part, what I'm thinking is you could go to Pexels. Now Pexels is a website where you could get free stock photos, royalty videos, and images absolutely for free. So what we could search is walking with loafers. Or let's fix our text over here. Loafers. I guess. There we go. And let's fix it loafers. Search it, and then hopefully the video that we will be able to get will show us people with loafers, or like the shoe itself. So let's wait for a few seconds over here for it to load. You're going to have to be specific or general with your search. I don't think it really matters, but I guess this one it didn't show us, but let's go with a different approach. Walking shoe POVs. There we go. It's still going to give it a hard time. You're just going to try again until you will be able to get the video that you want. So for example, over here, this one. We want video, so this one's a video over here. So we could download this one. Downloading in Pexels is absolutely for free, by the way, guys, so you don't have to worry about that as well. So simply click on free download to be able to download the specific video that we found, which is this one. So download this one. Let's wait for it to begin our download over here. Hopefully we will be able to download it very soon. But anyway, simply click on download over here and you will be able to begin the process of downloading that video. After downloading a specific video like we are seeing right now on our screen, let's wait for this to finish. Let's go to Canva over here and let's drag and drop the video that we have just downloaded. Let me cancel the other parts, but there we go. And now what you could do is that you could add like text or even music, and let's make this one bigger. There we go. Then let's simply click on text over here. Let's add a new text over here. That's going to be, or this will be placed on the side. So there we go. So let's say walk happily and comfortably. There we go. Then let's delete this one. And you could add that to this side over here. You could add as many information or as many elements that you want. There's elements over here that would make your life easier. Let's go with sparkles. There you go. You could click on graphics over here that you could add. So it's going to take a while. Our internet speed is a bit laggy today, but anyway, you could add that over here. You could also outplay it so that you could preview it. This is what it looks like right now. Let's put this one in the middle for now. Just like that. Then if you could play it, it will play the video. You could shorten it by doing that. Let's start from the beginning. It's a bit laggy right now because our upload is not synced yet, but if you play this, the video should be playing and then you could the video will cut to this. So let's actually download this for now. This one doesn't have an audio, but if you want to add the audio, you could do that as well. So let's download it. There we go. And over here in the Pinterest, simply click on create and you can simply drag and drop it over here. Now, where does the Amazon affiliate link comes in? So what you're simply going to do is you're going to add the affiliate link on the description of your post in Pinterest. So after downloading this, that is where you will be able to put in and attach the Amazon affiliate links. So if people are interested, they will open your Pinterest pin, of course, and they will be able to see in the description the affiliate link that you have attached. So let's give it this few seconds over here to finish downloading. It should be really quickly, and we could easily upload it to our Pinterest over here for us to demonstrate how you will be able to add the pin later on. So let's wait for a few seconds over here. There we go. It's almost done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My internet right now, it's very slow, unfortunately. So you're going to have to bear with me with our internet speed. But there we go. Fully done. Simply drag and drop it over here. And there we go. Now you can add the description over here. This is what I'm talking about. Simply add the affiliate link of your Amazon over here. You can even add a link over here if you want, and you can choose the board and tap it. After that, you can simply click on publish, and you will be able to add that to your Pinterest store. And as you can see here. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, do like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.